What going on to BOXXX? Welcome back to another video site. I want to say big up to my 124 subscribers. Them Z people. Respect. Big up on yourself and keep the thing going. Z. If you want to subscribe, like and share. See me? So, link up with famous twins after yesterday and them to get the rest of the spray them food with the rims. So we are put off that. I get the cable. But then I say, yo, you know, I go do a deep clean. I go just drop out the whole of the inside of the car, the seat, then pull out the dashboard, take out the mat, the carpet, everything. Give me that deep clean. You see me? It might not be a one-day project, you know. This might not done today, but I start it, you see it. So after that, I go throw in the cable. And hopefully by then, famous twins have to get back to me about the rest of the spray them and thing for the rims aside. So, make we kick it off like this now.
She told me that I'm not enough, and she left me with a broken heart. She fooled me twice and it's all my fault. She cut too deep, now she left me scarred. Now there's so many thoughts going through my brain. I'm taking these shots like it's moving pain. Yeah. Ooh, I fall apart, down to my core. Ooh, I fall apart. Feeling like I sold my soul. Devil in the form of a whore. Devil in the form of a whore. You said it. No, you said it. No, you said it. We'd be